Sarki Hausawa. What did they talk now? What did I discuss? Tell me now, waiting. The thing will make you come carry me. You say me, you want to tell me something now. Talk to me now.
Calm down.
Anzo gurin.
Wajen me?
Ai ni turanci yayin mani nayi gabar.
Wai kana so ka ga mun ka ce baka yi makaranta bane?
Ina aji 3 ban gama ban na fasa malamin kai. Daga nan ku na shiga tasha. Ban fito a tasha ba sai da ka je ka fito da ni. Ai na dade a tasha.
Alhaji, mu ji da Inyamuri, mu ji da Emeka.
See, Sarki Hausawa. Make it not be saying I said you won't go send me.
Haba.
Tell me something now. You don't come here, they talk and nothing. Suppose now, my brother go begin to look for me.
Emeka, me and you? Sell you? Hey, Yamuri, what is your monthly salary here?
My monthly salary for here?
Yeah.
Now me they pay pass now. 20,000 now they pay me. Then they move anything. Now me, they pay me pass anybody where they there. All the staff where they now me they pay pass.
To Alhaji Kaji.
Hey, I'm suspecting you. I hope this Hausa man is not going to take Emeka away from Madam. Hey.
Sarki Hausa, ka faɗa masa abin da zai mun da kuma abin da zan biya shi a wata. Emeka, this man want to employ you.
Employ me.
And your job is to cook food for his mother. Make sure you deliciously satisfied her day and night.
That will not be problem now. Talk to Coco. I won't hear the Coco.
Okay.
Tell me the Coco.
Okay. Alhaji say he go pay you. Guess how much?
How much you won't pay me? 20,000 they pay me here. Maybe one put to maybe 2,000 to make it 22,000.
22,000. To Alhaji say he will pay you 100,000. 100,000. Where are you going? Emeka? Now the 100,000 won't make you crazy.
So what pay me 100,000?
Exactly.
Of course.
Yes.
Nyamuri an ga kuɗi.
Come, enter motor. Come and enter motor.
If Emeka leave your shop, I will not come your shop again, and your market is gone.
Alachi, I will call you for phone.
And for your information, your feeding and accommodation is free. Alaji will do you. Share have told you.
You see? You feeding and accommodation free.
Honestly, just enter motor. Let us go. I will buy clothes for you.
Even
No. I will buy clothes for you. I say.
Emeka, you're not going anywhere.